This is one of those verbs that is often taught wrong, especially when we try to translate it into English. Let me show you a better way to understand gustar, because it is the verb that we use to express our likes and dislikes, and we actually have a particular way of using it in Spanish. Así que, si estás listo, si estás lista, vamos. So let's start with this. Gustar does not mean to like the way we use it in English. Gustar means to be pleasing. So when you say me gusta el café, you're not saying I like coffee. You're actually saying coffee is pleasing to me. This is a very important distinction, aventureros, because it means that we have to use the indirect object pronoun rather than the direct object pronoun. So if we want to express our likes in Spanish, here's how we do it. First, pick who we're talking about. If you're talking about yourself, just use me. And then you have to conjugate gustar depending on if we're talking about one thing, gusta, like me gusta España, or if we're talking about more than one thing, then it's gustan. Me gustan los españoles. Let me give you another example. Me gusta el café. I like coffee. Or literally, coffee is pleasing to me. Me gustan los libros. I like books. Or books are pleasing to me. See how the verb is conjugated according to the thing that it's pleasing, not the person who likes it. That's the difference. Now imagine this. I'm on holiday in Spain and I say, me gusta la playa. Like the beach is pleasing to me. Then I try the food. Me gustan las tapas. The tapas are pleasing to me. Just remember, this is easy. One thing, gusta. More than one thing, gustan. There is no yo gusto, okay? And here's the good part. If you want to say that you like doing something, we just use the infinitive form of the verb after. So it would be, me gusta leer. I like to read. Me gusta viajar. I like to travel. It is always gusta plus the infinitive verb, no matter how many verbs you list. And if we want to express that we don't like something, simply add no at the start of the sentence. No, me gusta leer. I don't like to read. As simple as that. So just remember, aventureros, you are not the one doing the liking. You are the one being pleased by something. That's why we say me gusta, te gusta, le gusta, nos gusta, os gusta, les gusta. Just remember the pronoun. That's how we say it in Spanish. If this made gustar click for you, give it a like, practice in the comments and let me know what you like or don't like. And if you want to explore the Spanish language further, you will find it all inside my Spanish grammar book linked below. Nos vemos en el próximo video, aventureros. ¡Hasta luego!